What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another exciting episode of JD's Network. That's right. Look, I got a special video for you. This is the 10 ways to manage financial stress. So if you're under financial stress, then this video is for you. All you gotta do is stay tuned to the end of the video, and I promise you, you won't be sorry. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. So look, other than that, let's get right into the video. See you at the end. Stress is a factor of life that affects the old as well as the young. And there's a lot to be stressed about in today's world. But for young adults, money is at the top of the list, and financial worries are impacting their mental health. Young adults, financial stress is catalyzed by a variety of reasons, including the rise in cost of living, student loan debt, and disruptions in employment due to the past pandemic. And their worries about money aren't just practical. Feeling financially stressed can cause shame and self-doubt, making any existing young adult mental health issues worse. Young adults have lots of reasons to feel financially stressed. One obvious culprit is global inflation. A 2023 Gen Z and Millennial survey of 14,483 young adults across 44 countries found that 46% of Gen Zs and 39% of Millennials feel stressed and anxious all or most of the time. And the cost of living is at the top of their list of concerns. Financial stress can take a toll on your adult mental health and physical health. As the body reacts to ongoing stress, financial fears can lead to negative mental health side effects, such as reduced self-worth, anxiety, depression, mood swings, trouble sleeping, constantly overthinking your spending choices and money, comparing yourself to others, relationship problems, toxic productivity, social withdrawal, problems, substance use, and suicidal thoughts. So moreover, unhealthy coping behaviors like drinking, gambling, excessive video gaming, and compulsive shopping can lead to additional spending, making the problem worse. So financial stress can make it difficult to complete basic tasks at home or work. Learning how to cope with the financial worries reduces stress by helping you feel more in control of your life. Young adults can lower financial stress and increase financial stability by incorporating these tips. Fatigue increases the likelihood that you'll ruminate and struggle with obsessive thoughts. Keep to a consistent sleep schedule. Refrain from the screen time an hour before bed, and avoid caffeine, large meals, and alcohol 4 to 6 hours before sleep to ensure high-quality rest. To lower stress, boost energy, and improve mood, get a little exercise most days. Strength training is a great few days a week, but you can also take a brisk walk, ride a bike, or swim laps to push your heart rate up and your stress down. To give your mind a break from money stress, take some time each day to relax intentionally. Engage in some deep breathing exercises, meditate, practice yoga, do self-massage, or simply visualize yourself in your favorite peaceful place. Take stock of the situation that caused you to spend money unnecessarily. Do you engage in impulse buying when you're bored? Start online shopping after a frustrating day at work? Head to the mall after a fight with a loved one? To avoid retail therapy, get clear on your spending habits. Make a rule that you'll wait a week before making a new purchase. Because financial problems carry a stigma, many people feel uncomfortable talking about them. They're ashamed, they struggle to manage money, pay bills, and wipe out debt. Keeping your feelings aside only makes the problem worse. Talk with a trusted friend or family member. It can put your concerns in perspective or provide ideas you hadn't thought of. Attend a support group for people dealing with financial stress. I'll show you you're not alone. When you have money problems, you may avoid dealing with them to keep stress at bay. But in the long run, though, you're only compounding the problem. To develop greater financial wellness, get a handle on your spending. Write everything down that you earn and spend over the course of a month, including the amounts you pay to clear debts. Being able to see it in black and white is the first step in regaining control of your finances. For a week or a month, try spending only on necessities. It's not easy, but cutting down on non-essential spending can free up extra cash to pay bills. If you still can't pay bills in full each cycle, call your bank, utility company, or credit card company and explain your situation. They can offer and arrange a payment plan that works just for you. Worrying about financial stress directs your attention to your problem, creating more stress. Denying reality isn't the answer, but staying focused on the negative doesn't produce financial wellness either. To reduce stress, shift your attention to what you have to do, either in writing or out loud. Express gratitude for what's good in your life. It may be your health, family, close friends, a beloved pet. Feeling gratitude gives your mind a welcome worry break. So if you suspect you won't be able to improve your financial situation on your own, look for a finance professional who can create a budget, manage your debt, and develop a savings plan, or communicate with creditors. Many organizations offer free financial advice. Alternatively, you can work with a free-based financial advisor who can develop a financial plan tailored to your needs. Work with a mental health professional if financial stress makes you unable to function, or if you're dealing with underlying mental health conditions. For example, an anxiety disorder can magnify money worries so they seem much bigger and scarier than they really are. Or you may be projecting your stress. Look, that's the end of the video. That was 10 ways to manage financial stress. Look, make sure you like, share, subscribe to JD Network if you have not already. While talking about fitness and everyday motivation, baby. Things you need in order to proceed. If you'd like to support the work I do right here on YouTube, you can hit me at Cash App at $JustLove966. Alright? So look, that's my time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.